What is up, guys, and welcome back to the DocMack Car Channel. If you've seen the title of this video, you're probably just as excited as I am. Oh boy am I excited. For those of you who do not know what my car channel is about, let me get into a bit more details before I share with you my latest acquirement. Alright, so what I do is I basically do a lot of how-to car videos, including how to maintain your own car, and don't pay dealership prices. Dealerships are good, but you can do it yourself. You can save lots of money, and I certainly have helped a lot of people save money. I also do a lot of product reviews for the car care systems, like the waxes, the sealants, the car washes, including how to keep your car nice and shiny. Alright, so please consider subscribing. Subscribing is completely free, and when you subscribe and you turn on that post notification bell, each time I post a video you will be notified. You will also certainly be helping me by subscribing to my channel, and my channel will definitely grow from there. I'm hoping to monetize this channel, so I'm helping you guys, and I hope you guys can help me as well. Alright, without further ado, let's get into what this awesome car is. So I just acquired this by purchasing it via an auction, and I had won it for quite a cheap price. It's a run and drive clean title, and basically why I bought this car is a lot of you love the 6th generation Toyota Camry, and I'm going to do a lot of videos on how to maintain the car, how to do most of the stuff that you pay for at the dealership that you can do by yourself. Alright, so this is the 2011 Toyota Camry Sport Edition. This version, the 6th generation Camry, comes in the LE, the XLE, and the Sport Edition. So this is obviously the sportier one. It's got 17-inch rims wrapped around 215 55 17-inch wheels. As you can see, it's got the side skirts all along the body, and those side skirts are not just for show, they actually do make quite a difference. Now this specific model, the Sport Edition, has got strut braces across the front and the back, which makes it quite smooth and quite tight around corners, so that you don't actually feel a lot of body roll. You really feel the sportiness of the car. Right, the car has only done 138,000 miles, and I believe it's one of the cheapest around, and I'm in New Zealand, in Christchurch. Let me just go around the car and show you. It's quite a tidy vehicle, and it's only a one owner vehicle. The inside is relatively tidy, so if you look around the back, you will see it says Sportivo. Because I'm in New Zealand, they don't sell it as a Sport Edition. This is called the Sportivo. It's exactly the same as the Sport Edition. So if I just open the door right there, you can see they will remind you that you are driving a Sportivo. It's really good. On the inside of the vehicle, it's in really good condition. That's just my camera gear, and because it's windy, it's just my jacket. As you can see, it's really tidy inside. Comment down below what you would like to see done to this car. I cannot give you any guarantees, but I'd love to hear your ideas as well. I'm currently not sponsored in any way, so I'm using my own money at the time of recording of this video. Alright, let's take a look at the boot. Right, you got your electronic pop open boot, and you've got your reverse camera there as well. Alright, perfect. So that's just my box of camera equipment. As you can see, it's quite tidy. This is an accident-free vehicle. As you can see, there's lots of legroom in the back seat, and it's very tidy for the price I paid for it. I'm going to reveal to you guys how much I paid for this vehicle at the end of this video. Okay, so what I'm going to do, So I'm going to pop the hood and I'm going to talk a little bit more about the engine. Alright guys, let's see what's under this hood of the Toyota Camry 2011 Sport Edition. As you can see, wow, I can't stop looking at the car. It's so nice and sporty for what you get. Alright, so I'm gonna look under the hood now. And under the hood is a 2.4 liter 2AZFE engine. And this outputs 118 kilowatts, 158 horsepower, 162 pound-feet of torque, and 220 Newton meters. Now this is mated to a 5-speed automatic transmission. Before I get into more details of this engine, you guys may be wondering what a 2.4 liter engine is doing in a Sport Edition of this era. So this is the 6th generation Toyota Camry Sport Edition. Okay. For those of you in the US, from the year 2009 onwards, I believe they upgraded the engine from the 2.4 liter 2AZFE engine to the 2.5 liter 2ARFE engine. The 2ARFE engine, I believe, outputs 171 horsepower. And the reason I believe that this might have been the case, that they had actually upgraded the engine, is because these engines in the US, not all, but some of them were known for bad piston return springs, and therefore it did burn engine oil, as well as go through a few quarts of engine oil every 1,000 miles or so. So I'm not saying that these are bad engines, only just a few of them were known for those bad return springs. They are a fantastically reliable engine, and if you are after a car that you don't need to worry about too much, these engines are bulletproof. And those engines which were made in the US were made in Kentucky, and not all of them were bad, only a few of them were bad. So I believe this is the reason why you guys got the 2.5 liter engine from the year 2009 onwards. So you had the 2AZFE from 2003 through to 2009. Over here in New Zealand, we have the engine, the 2AZFE engine, from the year 2003 through to the year 2012, which is when the 6th generation Toyota Camry had come to an end and the 7th generation Toyota Camry was introduced here. The engine has been quite well serviced, as you can see. Well, can't really see, but this new transmission fluid, new battery, new brake fluid, and the engine oil is pretty good. There's no milky substance inside at all. It's already done 5,000 plus miles. Seems to be still in a very, very good condition. And one of the reasons that I purchased this car is so that I can do more engine maintenance and share the video with you guys, so that you guys can save a lot of money on maintaining the car for yourself. If you pay dealership prices, it's great, you get a great reliable car. But if you watch videos like this, you can do it yourself. You gain the knowledge and you save a lot of money. I certainly have helped a lot of people save a lot of money. Now comment down below what you would like to see done with this car in terms of engine, performance, modification. I can't give you any guarantees, but I would surely love to hear your idea. So I'm just gonna close the bonnet right now. All right, and I'm gonna let you see the interior a bit more. This is a better look of the interior. That's just my camera gear. Softex leatherette seat. It's not real leather. The real leather only came in the V6. This is a 4-cylinder engine. There you go. It's got 5 seats across the back, but the thing is, this one, these seats can't move forward because there's a strut brace in between somewhere the back seat. This is for more stability around corners, and there's also a strut brace around here for more stability around corners. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give the engine a start up. and this one is a cold startup, so the engine is a bit more on a higher idle at the moment, but you can see for a cold startup it is quite good. Coming down to the back of the vehicle, let's see how it is from the exhaust end. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have videos on maintaining the 6th generation Toyota Camry, which goes from the engine all the way through to any parts of the vehicle, including the body. I'm not going to make those who have the 2.5 liter engine miss out. Whenever I'm going to do a 2.4 liter engine maintenance, for those of you who want to refer to the 2 ARFE engine, 2.5 liter engine, I'll also include that in another video, because I've got a 7th generation Toyota Camry where you've got the 2.5 liter engine which went in to the 6th generation Toyota Camry as well. So I'm including all of you guys from the 6th to the 7th generation as well. Now, how much did I pay for this vehicle? That's what you guys might be wondering, and I'm going to reveal the price right now. I paid an equivalent to 2,500 USD for this vehicle out the door. So it's 2,300 is the winning bid, 2,300 USD, and out the door price is 2,500 bucks. In New Zealand, the equivalent price you'll pay for this car, if at all I got the car elsewhere, would be approximately around 5,000 USD, which is equivalent to probably in this New Zealand car market about $7,000. A vehicle like this in New Zealand with 100,000 kilometers is worth somewhere around 13,000 New Zealand dollars, and this car has done 222,000 kilometers, 138,000 miles, and I only got it for $3,900. What a bargain that was. One owner, very well maintained, not trashed. As you can see, the tires in the vehicle are really good. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for a test drive, and then we're going to come back here and we're going to conclude the video. Okay, so I'm going to give it a start up right now. That was just my dash cam turning on. Alright. Okay, so I hope you guys can see it. Quite tall, and this is the first time that I'm using the camera. So let's hope that you guys can see it. I'm just gonna give you guys a flavor of what the car is about. As you can see, there's quite a lot of power on the car as well, so it's a pretty good car. As you can see, it takes corners quite well as well, and we are down back to the 50k zone. Alright, driving the 2011 Toyota Camry Sport Edition. We are on rough roads at the moment, so that's why you can hear all the things funking around in the glove box. Now, I did take this car on a point of view video test, POV video test, but unfortunately I couldn't get the proper angle of view. I'm about 6'3", so it is quite hard for me to actually get the proper view. I'd like you guys to comment on what you think I can do in order to get this better view for you guys. I will promise you guys a better field of view things with the quirks, features, and a review on the features of the car. Alright, so just going down here. Hope this video is coming out at least a little bit better than what it was. Turning cycle is still quite good on a narrow street. So I do apologize for the point of view video not being 100%. Please comment down below what you think would be the best way for me to do a point of view video for you guys. So I'm going to end the point of view video here, and comment down below what you think would be the best way for me to do a point of view video for you guys. I'm going to do more of a Doug DeMiro sort of style quirks and features video for one of the next videos. If you take a look at the seats here, they almost look like leather. I believe that this is Softex or leatherette, which I don't believe is genuine leather. I believe only the 6-cylinder versions came in leather. I am not a fan of leather. I don't like leather at all due to animal rights sort of things. All right, so don't forget to comment what you would like to see done with this car. Remember, there's no guarantees. I'd just like to hear your ideas, and comment down below. What do you feel that you don't know how to maintain about this car, and I'll see if I can make a video of it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that post notification bell. You'll really enjoy the videos that I have for you. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.